Esteemed parents, teachers, and my dear students, it is with esteemed pride that I announce a remarkable achievement of our students who have completed a specialized course on artificial intelligence and data science in one of the elite institutions of the country, that is IIT Madras. This accomplishment, my dear ladies and gentlemen, will bring future endeavors to our students. Also, practically, will allow them to complete their graduation degrees in this elite institution, IIT Madras. What a wonderful opportunity of being a student at Billabong. Billabong High International School is honored to be part of such a prestigious program with IIT Madras being the only school in the city. This partnership not only reflects our unwavering commitment towards our students, but also to provide a world-class opportunity to them. Let us celebrate this milestone and continue to foster this culture of innovation and excellence in school. I invite all the parents to be a part of this wonderful organization and propose for the greater heights of the students' achievement in the near future. Thank you very much.
I feel very good that I have got the opportunity from my school. In Rewa, it is only school that have introduced this course, and I was not knowing this course before.
Thankful to our school that it gave us chance to participate in this program.
I am very glad that our school gave us this opportunity to be a part of IIT Madras at Data Science and AI.
And I learned many things about this because from earlier I want to learn about AI and all, and I don't knew about any this kind of course, but my school let me know about this beautiful course, and I enhanced my skills on AI and data science with the help of this.
I feel very grateful that I got opportunity to participate in IIT Madras Data Science AI course.